Hi, this is Jagadish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today our topic is the success case study of Flipkart, how the Flipkart got a huge success in India, that we are going to discuss today. So come, let us see the topic. So first initially, the Sachin Bansal and the Binny Bansal, the two were the friends. They were studied and graduated from IIT Delhi, and after that they moved to USA to work in an Amazon company. So in Amazon, they both were Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal both were working under the same team in the Amazon, and the days were going well. And at some point, they had a thought that why can't we start the same like Amazon in India? So they quit their job in Amazon and they moved to India, and they went to their family members and parents and informed that we quit the job and we are going to start the new business as like the Amazon in India. So as it was a very good startup and it was a good idea, the parents and the family members of Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal were accepted, and also along with that Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, they informed to their parents that for 1.5 years to 2 years, do not expect any financial support from us. So they also got accepted for it, and initially they both were started the online book selling concept. So they plan to start this business in a Bangalore. So they took a 2 BHK apartment in Bangalore, and they purchased so many varieties of books in different stores, and they kept in their 2 BHK room. And as it was a startup, new business, so there were no employees for advertisement and or marketing. So they both itself, Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal itself, they worked for marketing and advertisement. They went for so many coffee shops, marketing, shopping malls and multiplexes and every places. And they given some pamphlets and notices like for online book service, for online book shopping, click on the website www.flipkart.com. Like that, they have given some pamphlets to the peoples and everyone who is coming to the coffee shops and shopping complex and multiplexes. So after some days, they got an order from Chandra from Andhra Pradesh for one book like titled as Leaving Microsoft for Changing the World. So at the time of receiving the order from Chandra, both the peoples, Sachin Bansal and the Binny Bansal, were very happy, but at the time, unfortunately, the book was not available with them. So what they planned is they searched for that book, single book, to every places in the Bangalore and other places, but they could not able to get that book in the particular time. So they have sent the mail to Chandra that stating that this book is not available right now with us. Just wait for another few days. We will deliver the same book to you. Kindly ignore the inconvenience caused by us. So Chandra received the mail and he replied back, okay, it's no problem. You take your own time and deliver it shortly. So finally, they searched for the single book in the Bangalore. Finally, in one shop, Swapna book store in Bangalore, they got that book and they delivered the same book to Chandra. So finally, he was happy. Chandra was happy, and his feedback also is very good. And continue the online services like this. He gave the feedback to them like this. So they were very happy. And after some days, they started selling the electronic gadgets like phone and then pen drive and memory card, etc. So they for their selling the electronic gadgets, they need some financial support. So they get money from their family members and the neighbors and friends. So that was also take them a very good position, and the Flipkart was familiar and it was very reached so many peoples. And after some days, after some years going on, in 2014, they introduced a Big Billion Day, where the peoples can order any product with very, very less cost. So at that time, at that offer time, they got a huge number of orders. So this makes the Flipkart to advertise and reach the many peoples and all over the corner in India. So at the single day, in a Big Billion Day, they got a 5 lakh rupees electronic gadgets and 5 lakh dress materials and 25,000 worth home appliances were sold out on a single day. So this is the huge, this makes the huge hit of the Flipkart. So but everything which is nothing but of they achieved this only because of they understand in a people in India, they never give the money before receives the product. So they introduced the first ever the venture organization which introduced the cash on delivery in India, COD. So the people were very very happy, because after receiving the products only we are going to give the money. So if the product is not not good, so we no need to give the money, right? So that time, so they ordered all the products in the Flipkart in online shopping. So the Flipkart goes in a very good manner. So this makes the Flipkart very reach in the very good position. And also they gave the product in very somewhat less price compared to the shop or showrooms. So these two, so cash on delivery and the offers and some discounts, makes the Flipkart so popular with the peoples. So now the company actually when it was started, the company the value is 2 lakh, and the currently the company values 20,000 crore, and also it was started with a 2 BHK apartment. Now it has 8 lakh square feet area, the company area, and around 7,000 employees are working in this concern. So and after that some companies from China, Tencent and SoftBank, they invested $10 million in Flipkart, and it is not only in India, it has been popular all over in India. So this makes the Flipkart so success in their business. So not only the Flipkart, the company, which are any startup or a business which understands their customers' need or understands the empathy of the customer, they can easily achieve a good success in their business. Thank you.